Hello everyone, I am new here and I would like to share my unboxing of GUNPLA model is AMX101 SCHUZRUM GALLUS from DABAN model company. This is the copy of Bandai from Japan. Bandai price is around $18 plus and the DABAN price is only around $5 plus and it is more cheap. So I bought it and I want to know about the quality and share it with you guys. So here we go. Okay, so here, this is the mold. Detailing is so-so, it's clean. But the important is the pulley cap. This is the pulley cap. It is the copy model, so I don't know yet about the quality. Okay. Next is second part is also good. It has the cable wire also for the chain mine weapon. This is mine weapon. This one. Okay, you can see. Okay. Next is this is the third one. We have the body color. It is also good, it's clean. The fourth one is, we still have the same body parts with a light blue. And it has the sticker. But I think the sticker quality looks not good. So I'll do some painting a little bit. Okay, and lastly is the manual. It is perfectly the same as the Bandai manual, but the only thing is the logo. Okay, let's get inside. The inside picture looks good. Next, this one. Not so difficult, just etching, right? And last picture is this one. Okay, and that's all. Okay, so that's for today's video. I will make it, and please check my next video for making the quality review after I completely build these models. Please like and subscribe my channel. See you in my next video. Bye bye.